Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can see. She just want.
Wagwan YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. I'm on a new travel assignment in Brooklyn, New York. It's been very interesting so far. I don't know, I love New York. So yeah, but this week is gonna be really interesting because I'm outside. Yes, I'm gonna be going on a trip, so stay tuned to get the more details on what goes on. But yeah, as for here tonight, of course I'm still in the NICU, of course. So after this, I'm gonna go back to the hotel and take a nap, and then my day will commence. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there who are watching. Yeah, love you guys. Hey, yo, I just got back to the hotel. Oh my god, I still got my freaking jacket on because night shift is always freezing. And I just opened up the curtain a little bit because this hotel has really nice blackout curtains, so it's really dark actually. So we're gonna let the sun shine in. Take the damn jacket off, bro. This should not have even made it home. This nap is about to be iconic. Okay? Let me just chat to you a little bit while I'm straightening up my room. So yeah, I started this contract 3 weeks ago, and it has been top tier ghetto. I'm not gonna lie to you. Every time I say, damn, this place is ghetto, the next place is gonna be better, the next place is worse. So this is contract number 3. Child. Yeah, a time is being had, okay? Last night was rough. We had a crazy admission, a crazy discharge at the same time. So I would literally never get in bed with my uniform on, but because I'm about to travel back to PA in 2 hours, it is what it is. Bed is dirty. And I'm not changing or anything. I'm literally gonna go like this, go straight home, jump in the shower at home. I'm just gonna eat my breakfast, watch The Breakfast Club, and then I gotta hit the road. Like, I don't even have time to rest. I want to take a nap so bad. That's why I put this on, because I feel like I might fall asleep, which has been happening. I've just been knocking out. But that's also why I open up the blinds so that the sun could come in, because I can't sleep with the light. I need darkness. So yeah, we'll see.
Dance and tease, she just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me.
We made it. So cute. Choose fun. Very cute. Oh my gosh. Bye Miami. Bye Florida. Bye United States. Bye Donald Trump. Bye. We are on the boat. I'm unpacking. This is my first time bringing beverages, y'all. I brought some Coca-Cola, pineapple juice. I already know I stuck my liquor on. Hope they don't flag my video. And then apparently you can't bring Taylor Swift, bro.
At this time, all guests who have not completed their self-muster process, please proceed to your assigned muster station at this time. Completed their self-muster process, please report to your assigned muster station at this time.
No, for real.
Don't mind if I
Don't just a little bit of pudge.
Take my hands to the girl.
Where? The bottom belly is bellying.
Girl. Don't worry. Only 6 months. What's asking me that? I suppose that you can't lose weight with depression. You gotta be working out with it.
You gotta be eating with it, but you don't want to eat when you're depressed.
You don't
That's
eat
the
depressed, you
problem.
don't eat.
Yeah.
I just drink a whole lot of sparkling water. No. Girl. Oh.
You brand new, so you blue.
See? I need to cross my name out. Like, that's giving too much. I'm 1 and 1. Okay, so what's the deep secret for getting into the room? And what else?
You need the card forever to do everything. Anything you want to do is with the card.
Oh shit.
So how we link our bank account, if you swipe it, it'll go to your bank account.
Oh, that's
if you
what
buy
this
something.
is.
If you want to buy something, yeah.
Oh, so I can't lie and say I'm somebody else.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
That's your basically your ID. You don't need no other anything. You just need that.
Period. Okay.
Got me a little taco bowl because I was starving. And this is actually new, so this must be a newer boat. We're on the Sunshine. barbecue salmon with a random onion ring on top.
Yes, I was at 0.5, and I feel like it's just zoomed right on your butt.
Just tag me. Just tag me.
Oh, that's cute. We just need to put more snacks or treats. I like these things to go with like chocolate. Oh, I got my boots on the ground. Guys, we made it to my beautiful island. Oh my gosh. The 1 inch is insane. Please leave 1 inch.
That's what it is. Oh yeah, they do.
Oh, you got coconuts too.
Are you dinner?
Run inside.
Turn around. Hey.
Oh, stop it up. Hey. Get it.
One in Jump Rock, of course. Hot. Girl, not too much on Grace. First of all, she playing. Why would she just throw all of that on her food like that? I drink.
Look at this one right here. Yeah, look one more, guys. I'll tell you. Remember, we have a trading post in property, alright? Yeah, when you buy trees, you get the quote, one quote free.
Here we go. Smoked oysters, apple, minutes, mace butter, and passion fruit shaggy.
Passion fruit.
They just do their own fucking
Ooh.
thing.
Killing the people.
Wait, should we go down there?
Oh, girl, I don't know.
White sand, trimming cone shells. Traditional always for Christmas.
She said it 3 times. That's not a volcano. Look like it.
Where is it?
The limestone or the black ash shit.
Oh, yeah.
Number. Your name
Damn.
and your cabin number.
Look, she thinks she
That's
has
your name.
I'm talking about. She don't know her name.
am with the oyster queen. Like, every day, another round of oysters. Is that horseradish? Girl, you got your horseradish? Where the hot sauce? And shout out to my girl Bria, or Bria D on YouTube. She happened to be on the same cruise as me, and we linked up and had a time. She's cool as hell. She's also a nurse and also went to my school. So yeah, shout out ATL, shout out Bria. All right, so y'all see y'all in the next video. Look more.